It is 500,000.
Katie.
966.
966.
I was going to say
Because this is 1,000
Minus 100
minus 100.
is 900.
Yeah, so we know we got 900 something, right? Plus 50, 60, 65, 66. So these just are 66, and this is 900.
How many hours do I get?
20.
Aww.
That was a 50-hour question for Brandon.
30, please.
Now we're going to go back and see if Brandon can get a slightly easier one. See, I told you, Caden was asking me for 50-hour questions yesterday, and he kept on not getting them. All right, we'll do 50 hours in just a second. You want a 40-hour question? I'm going to give Brandon one, and we'll... Yeah, I know, but that was a big one, and we'll let him try one more time.
One more time.
This is not as hard, not as hard. Do that for 10, and do this for another 10.
Oh, that's easy. It is going to be
10.
It is going to be 665.
Oh, no, not this part here.
65.
You're just doing this one up here, is that right?
65.
This one up here, 65? Okay, so it's 10 plus 5 minus 1. What's that? 10 plus 5 minus 1.
I know. It's... Don't say it.
Go ahead, Jeff.
It is 15. I know it's 14.
14, thank you, sir.
Oh,
I got 5 hours.
Yeah. What would 15 look like? 15 would be XV, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That's 15. But here's a 10 and 1 off of a 5. We're on to Caden now. You ready for a big one? Because I'm going to throw you a big one.
I want to
Give me a
20-hour question.
Can you read this to me for 50 hours?
Oh, Mom. Alright, and
2,500.
he doesn't get 50 hours. Because
I didn't think he'd be able to do
easy
that. Well, it was easy for him, but that means he's getting better at it, and that means I can't give him easy questions anymore. He wasn't as good as that yesterday, was he?
I was going to say
I
that
was crappy yesterday.
All right, for 50 hours. Got a big number first, and then a small number in front of a big number. That's Daniel's turn, and if he can't get it, we'll go to Cumin.
Oh, I know. There's an
2,100.
Okay, so here's 1,000,
I don't...
and the small. What happens when the small number comes before the big one?
Oh, it's 1,050. No, one. Okay, don't say 1,000.
I'm next.
No,
1,000.
100.
Cumin.
1,900.
1,900.
I was gonna say that.
2 M's would be 2,000, huh?
Yeah, but it's
Minus a C.
in
But
the
we've got a C to take out of there, and that's 100. So what's 2,000 minus 100?
1,900.
Thank you very much, sir. All right, Brandon. 20 hours.
Whoa. To who?
You?
Me?
Yeah, that's yours.
20?
Brandon. In your seat, please. Look at the board.
That's a big... That's only for 20?
All right, Brandon, you want to try it? 50 hours?
No, why is it only 20 to me?
Because you're good at it. You're getting better at
I'm
it.
not that good. Okay,
Well,
I'll try it. I'll try.
60.
It's probably going to come to you, Caden, so get ready. I don't think Cumin's going to get this.
888.
What's that? Is that a V?
Is it 888?
How'd you know that?
Uh-huh.
888. Yeah, that's a V. The V can. Brandon, you ready to try another one? The hard ones are where you have to subtract in the middle, huh? Here you go, Brandon. 20 hours. Can you do that?
Okay. It is some easy one.
LXV. You'll be after him if you can't get it. LXV. 65. You're a good start.
Dang.
Alright.
Can I try one now?
My turn.
Do Caden one. And then
Yeah, that's
Daniel, and
that
then
one.
that'll be the end of the Roman numerals when Daniel gets done.
Oh.
$25, Caden, if you can do that.
I want to do it. Wait now.
Come on, Kim, it's easy.
Oh,
You know it's easy?
I think so.
Wait, whoa. Oh, you need a pencil.
I know.
Daniel can try if you thought Caden can't.
Alright. No, wait.
Caden's about to get it, maybe.
Yeah.
After this, we'll probably talk about Archimedes and Ptolemy for Quiz for Cash.
Okay.
So find your notes on those guys. Book.
3,444.
Yes, sir. $25.
God, I thought I was off.
Did you hear that, Daniel?
Huh.
Did you hear the answer? Tell him the answer again, Caden.
No.
3,444.
Because there's 3,500 minus 100, so there's 400. 3,400.
Then x minus L
50 minus 10 is 40.
4.
5 minus 1 is 4. 3,444. Sure glad we use our system nowadays, huh?
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to use than their system was. Alright, this is our last Roman numeral question. Daniel, how hard do you want it? 5 hours? 10 hours? 20 hours?
20 hours.
20 hours? Okay.
20 more hours and I'll be 500.
You done that? Do you remember it? 20 hours if you can do it. Do you remember how to do them?
Yeah. 100. No, 2,100.
So, Cumin, why don't you come up here and take a second and explain to Daniel how we do these. He just told me this is either 100 or it's 2,100. Why don't you come up here and just tell him for just a second. It's Daniel's turn, and Cumin's going to explain a little bit about Roman numerals.
So 1,000 is the first, then little numbers before the big number, then the big number, that number gets taken away from the big number, which is 100 taken away from 1,000. So it'd be 1,900.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Cumin. All right. That sounds good for Roman numerals today.